Oh, we're back at Fort Halifax, so Rocky can go swim. Uh, but anyway, uh, taking him to his doctor's appointment. Yep. Get it out, buddy. There you go. That's good. Yeah. Should have seen his face when she stuck the finger in. It was like that one movie where the dog. Oh, what was it? Professor. Uh, Nutty Professor. No, I don't know. It was one with uh, yeah, Eddie Murphy, and he's the vet, and the he had to check the dog's butt, and the dog. Poor Rocky. There's Precious. She's doing good today. She's doing real good today, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go for a little walk. Get that exercise. Yeah, need to give these guys some exercise. So I've been looking at for the truck camper on the back, uh, and I'm trying to figure out how much wood to get exactly. Uh, uh, Framing and plywood. Um, I gotta think about also for do the roof. What kind of what am I gonna put on the roof? Like shingles or maybe what is that stuff? It's like a sheet, and then you take the resin and put over it epoxy. You put the epoxy resin over it. It's like fiberglass. Fiberglass. I kind of don't know. Uh, the one kid on YouTube built his for like $800. So I'm trying to like keep it down, keep the price down and the weight down on what I'm gonna put in, because I think 2x4s are too thick to use. It would make it heavier, so I was thinking 2x2s, and yeah. So let's go back down here where you were able to swim, Rock. See, nice field. Limb came down. I don't think the limb was there when we were here the last time. So, yeah. So I really think I should do the truck camper on the back of the truck. I got to like look there, a groundhog. Look at him. You see him see him? I'll wait for Rocky to see him. He's right there. Little baby groundhog. There, he's looking at us. He's right there. He's looking at us. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes, running off. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not, because I have it faced towards me now. Now, if it would be different if it was the other one, because you can zoom in and stuff. Oh, there she is in the back. Look at her. She's getting lost. He found where it came out. Come on. He found where it came out. So. So anyway, yeah, there's no girlfriend prospects. I do have to make an appointment with the GI gastroenterology at VA to find out what's going on in my stomach. So I will not make until they change my primary, and I see it change, or they send me a letter stating that it changed from Conrad Seish or Sabish or whatever his name is. I won't go for primary care. I will not. It's ridiculous. I mean, they stand there and state they're here for care, give you the best possible care, but when you get a doctor that doesn't listen, okay, I need to just stop it, because that guy gets under my skin. And we're back here where the poison ivy grows. This stuff right here is poison ivy. And got poison ivy, and then right here's to counteract it, right here. Medicine. And then put it on your. Let's see if he goes for a swim. Oh, he's going that way. You going that way? We going down here. Looks like some other people were here. Yeah, we can. There he goes. There goes Rocky. There he is. You precious. He's swimming today. Get out there, precious. Don't be afraid. Get out there. I see you got the tremors, precious. Yes, you got the tremors. Good girl. And you can stay in there. We're not in a hurry. We're not in a hurry. No, we're not in a hurry, Rocky. Ah, you get me wet too. See, Precious is the type where she only gets her feet wet. Yeah. Rocky, he's diving in. I wonder if you can probably camp down here. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? The way's up here. You want to go? Ah. Where are you going, lady? Bye, Precious. She's taking her own way. Oh, no, now she decides. Come on, let's walk around. Where are you going? Where are you going? We're going this way. Oh, they're going somewhere else now. I need to get out and get exercise myself. Oh, here we are. like a little campfire. Somebody brought rocks up and made a little campfire. Oh yeah, sure. Just pee on me, Rocky. So, just walk on down here. Should bring my fishing rod down here and see if I can catch some fish. Nice little beach here. Put your blanket down. Have some sandwiches and go swimming, or maybe toss a rod out. See if you can catch something. Yeah, it's nice, quiet, shady. If you want to lay in the sun, you can lay in the sun. Yeah. The only thing you really have to worry about is if you're allergic to poison ivy. Yeah, looks like somebody had a fire there. New England Run Access. That's what it's called. That. Oh dear. This is like 84 degrees. Yep. If all that wood wasn't there, that would probably be an access point, Rocky. But it's not. Yeah. Looks like somebody came through here. Right through here. There's a path. Maybe it's a deer path. Oh, they're already. Look how far they. They're liking these walks. Even though they want to stand there and pretend like they're so thirsty and their tongue's hanging out. Well, at least Precious does. She plays it up, but she likes coming out. Getting that sunshine. Getting those vitamins that we need. Yep. Instead of sitting in the house watching a Roku and Netflix and Prime and anyway, let's see, what's the recent show I binge watched? Man. Can't say really because there's nothing that like catches my eye. Because nowadays they're putting too much of the agenda in there. Agenda stuff. You know. You going up? You gonna go up? Yep. Yeah, they're putting too much of that. The agenda, pushing the agendas in new. Yeah, so a lot of people I know have went back to DVDs. I got a lot of DVDs too. So, I hear they're making a new Stargate. So I think that I'm not too keen on that, because if they push their agenda like they did in Star Trek and mess up Stargate, so yeah, I just, oh, she's falling behind. I'm thinking since tomorrow is July 4th, I think we should go down and visit Grandpa's grave in Biggerville and take some pictures of the graves down there. Gotta be glad it's in the shade, precious. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. We'll do this loop, and that'll be it for today. For you two for exercise. Dad's got to clear out the garage. I got to get rid of my stuff in the garage. Get rid of a bunch of stuff in the house. I need to get one of those dumpsters. The easiest way would be just to go ahead and get one of those dumpsters and just dump everything in it. But then I know the neighbors will be out there crawling in, getting the good shit out so they can go buy drugs. So instead of them, selling it, why? Well, I guess I could take the time and energy to put it on Facebook Marketplace. She's way back there. She's coming. She's trying to stay in the shade. I'm going to give her some water when we get up here. You've been doing good, young lady. This exercising. Us getting out, getting some exercise. So, yeah. Because then I can take the money that I sell the stuff for from Marketplace and put it towards the truck camper on the back. I have a lot of stuff that I built or got for what I call my battle box. That stuff I can see me putting in on the truck camper. I got to go through clothing and pick out the clothes that I wear and get rid of those clothes that I don't wear. So I just need to snap out of this fog that I've been in for the longest and stop worrying. I need to stop worrying about things. What are you two got there? What do you two got there? Get out of there. Get out of there. It's probably a turd, huh? or a dead animal? Turd or dead animal? Which is it, Precious? I don't see anything. Looks like probably a turd that once was there. Disintegrated with the rain and or it could be pee from another dog. So I would like to find a group that like does ghost hunting and urban exploring. I would like to find a group like that, or someone to like show me the ropes, so I can go from town to town. You know, I definitely don't want to be city to city. I'd rather be small towns, folklore. Even if it would be talk to some old veterans and what their life was like back during Vietnam and on ships and the stuff they've seen. Because I know me, myself, being in Bosnia, I've seen some shit. Excuse my language. But yeah, I've seen some stuff. Yeah. So. Yep. And. Yep. Just funny and amazing. Well, it's not. It's just life. To record life. Look at that view. I could see pulling up here with the truck camper and, backing in and having this as my backyard for one night or 2 nights I could see that. Ooh, that is a big old bug. Look at that big old bug splatter. Big old bug splatter. Are you ready to go, young lady? Where are you going, lady? Where are you? Oh, you going over there to pee on that poison ivy bush. On that poison ivy. So when you come in and I get to take off your harness, I get the oily juice on me, and because I think right there on my wrist, I had about 4 or 5 little bumps, and then I remember that they said something about monkeypox being just the 4 or 5 little bumps. And I'm like, I haven't been around nobody that had monkeypox. Alright, well, they did put a porta potty out here. So if you ever need to go to the potty, but it looks like somebody there and there's tissue. I guess they didn't make the porta potty. Something looks like a small prozone. Maybe they had some needed. Maybe they had an accident. Now, where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? You wandering off? Come here. What are you doing? We ready to go? They want to keep going. Rocky wants to keep going. Yep, they're just they're taking their time. So, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. If Hey, if you have any ideas on like the framing for this, what would be the best wood, please put it in the comments. Please put it in the comments below. Alright, thank you, and see you.